Okay, write down the first three terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by 2n minus 5. Okay, so the first three terms, when n is equal to 1, when n is equal to 2, and when n is equal to 3. That's what we mean by the first three terms. So when we substitute n is 1 in there, 2 and 3. So when we put n is 1 in there, remember now, 2n means 2 times n, so it'll be 2 times 1, and then take away 5. So 2 times 1 is 2, take away 5 is minus 3. So that'll be my first term. When n is 2, you do 2 times n, so 2 times 2. Take away 5, and that's 4, take away 5, and that's minus 1. And then when n is 3, it'll be 2 times 3, take away 5, that'll be 6, take away 5, which is 1. So there's my sequence there, okay? You can see it's going up in 2s, which you'd expect, because there's 2 in front of the n, 2n. Then part B, it says, write down an expression for the nth term. Now what you do with nth term, you need to look at the gap each time, right? The gap, and if you notice here, we're going up in 4, so it's 4 all the time. So before n, now you've got the gap to be 4, so write 4n, and what you do then is you pretend there's a term before, okay? So you look at what would be before, so there was a term there. Well, because we're going up in 4s, the term before would be 3, wouldn't it? So we'd be adding on 3, so 4n plus 3.